Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tabassum English Hub. I hope you all are doing well. Today is day 13 of our 30 days spoken English challenge level 1. So let's get started. Can you tell me what are you doing right now? Don't say I watch video and don't say I learn English. Today I'll teach you how native speakers talk about actions happening right now. And by the end of this class, you will be able to describe everything around you in English. Imagine you are reporting live. Now look at me and observe me. What I'm doing. I'm teaching English. I'm speaking. I'm smiling. I'm standing. Now look at yourself. What are you doing? You are watching this video. You are learning English. You are improving your speaking. Congratulations. You are already speaking present continuous. Let's become detectives. Look around your house. Can you see your mother? What is she doing? Maybe she's cooking, or she's talking, or she's cleaning. Now tell me, what is your father doing? Maybe he's watching TV, he's reading a newspaper, or he's working. Okay, tell me, what is your brother doing? He is playing games, he is sleeping, he is using his mobile phone. Now, pause the video, look around yourself, tell me three things happening in your house. Okay, it's very interesting and interactive. I hope you're enjoying the session. Now let's talk about your phone right now. Are you scrolling? Are you watching YouTube? Are you texting someone? Or are you listening carefully? Now I speak. I'm watching YouTube. I am learning English. I'm using my mobile phone. Okay? Love and enjoy and speak confidently. Imagine you are posting a story on Instagram. What would you write? I'm studying. I'm having tea. I'm traveling. I'm enjoying the rain. I'm learning English. See, students, you are using present continuous every day without even realizing it. Oops, what's wrong here? Don't say I'm eat food. Better say this, I'm eating food. Don't say she's cooked dinner. Say she's cooking dinner. Don't say they are playing cricket. Say they are playing cricket. Okay? Make it like a game. Enjoy and correct your mistakes. Okay? Now look at the picture and imagine and then try to speak. Okay? Here I can see a park where a boy is playing football, a girl is riding a bicycle, children are running, a man is walking, some people are talking. Now repeat once again. A boy is playing football, a girl is riding a bicycle, children are running, a man is walking, some people are talking. Can you find one more action? Okay, come on, get involved, students. Okay, imagine Shah Rukh Khan is in front of you. What is he doing? He is acting, he is dancing, he is smiling. Imagine your favorite cricketer. What is he doing? He is batting, he is running, he is celebrating. Keep practicing, keep speaking. Don't pause, just speak on topic. What's happening around me right now? You can use examples. I'm sitting in my room. I'm watching an English class. My mother is cooking food. My father is talking on the phone. My brother is using his mobile. Everyone is doing something. So learners, today's secret is very simple. Don't memorize English. Observe English. Just look around you and describe what is happening right now. Your room is your classroom. Your family is your practice partner. Your daily life is your English book. See you in day 14. Thank you for watching.